Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage, and on today's video, Untran Borders, I'm going to show you how you can make sure that your untranslates stand out within your transcript. I'm in Eclipse, and within this translation, I have several untranslates. With my settings as they are currently, all of my untranslates have come out in pure steno. However, this option will work even if you use translation magic. I'm going to go to my user settings, to the Translate tab, and at the top, there's a setting called Untran Borders. And you'll note that there's a setting for each side of the untranslate. In the middle, there's Sample Steno, and you can specify the character that will appear at the beginning of an untranslate or at the end of an untranslate. And so all I need to do is simply click in the box, type the character that I would like to use as my Untran border. I'll press OK, and I'm going to retranslate this file. And now all of my untranslates have brackets around them. I can close out of here, return to Settings, Translate, and I'll remove the second bracket, and I'm going to change the first mark to an asterisk. I'll press OK, and I'll translate the file once again. And now you see that each untranslate is preceded by an asterisk. If I close out, I can go to my user settings, translate, and this time I'll turn translation magic on. And if I translate the file once again, this time I see an asterisk in front of each translate, but translation magic has applied to the translates, and so they no longer appear as steno. You can use any mark that you'd like as an Untran border, and you can use both the starting border and the ending border, or just one or the other. You can use any available character in either box, and when you translate the file, that character will appear at the beginning or the end of each translate exactly as you specify. This will make it easy for your eye to catch any untranslate to make sure that they're correct. And you can get exactly the kind of designation that works for you, no matter if you use translation magic or not. Don't forget that Advantage offers anytime support. Tech support is available for any question anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thanks so much and have a great day.